So in a span of 4 days, I think this is how much I've been able to make from this platform. So someone recommended this platform to me, saying they can actually pay you just by you doing some tasks, by watching ad, then you are going to be getting paid, right? As you can see, when you sign up, of course I'm going to show you how to sign up, but when you sign up, they are going to pay you 50 cents for sign up bonus, right? So now here are the tax that you can complete. So as you can see right now, they say watch ad. For every ad you watch, they are going to give you um 20 cents, right? That's $0.20, right? For every ad that you watch. Now, in order for you to actually complete this task, of course, the task can be carried out daily. There are a specific amount of ad that you can watch per day, right? So now the amount of ad I can watch daily is 100 ad. So as you can see right now, I have not watched any ad today. So the that's why you can see right now, you can see zero and out of 100, right? That means I have to watch 100 ad, then I'm going to be making $20 per day, right? So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is that I want to show you how to actually sign up to this platform. And somewhere in the end of the video, I'm going to give you a final verdict on this platform, whether it is legit or not, because I've actually been working on this platform for some days and I've done my research. I'm going to be telling you if you should join or not. So make sure you stick around. So first, let me take you over to my screen. Let me go and show you how to sign up. Alright, so here we are on my screen right now. So all we have to do, of course, it is for us to put in our name. So let me just put in any name for the sake of this tutorial. Let me just say Usman J, right? So make sure you follow along, do not miss any step, please. So here is where it's going to be, where we are going to put in our email address. So let me just use one of the random email address right here, and this is going to be where we put in our password, right? MJ is one of my random password as well. So, and they are going to, of course, give you a referral code. This platform, I think you can only so all we have to do is just for us to create our account, right? So I'm coming. So make sure you remember your password. Just create an account. So for creating an account, you are going to make $0.50. So that's 50 cents, right? So that's how much you are going to be making. So once you sign up, they'll give you 50 cents as a welcome bonus, right? So let me just click on it. So let me click on it, and I don't know why the network is kind of slow today, so just give it time to load, of course. So there we go. As you can see, we have already signed up. So our welcome bonus has reflected. That's 50 cents for signing up, right? So if you sign up, you are going to get 50 cents for just signing up. So now this is where you are going to withdraw. In order for you to withdraw, you have to put in your bank details. As you can see, put in your bank, you select your bank, your account number, the amount you want to withdraw. In order for you to actually cash out, you need to reach a threshold of $50. Sorry, $200 in order for you to actually cash out. Remember what I told you, every task you complete. Okay, here we are. So every task you complete, every ad you watch, you are going to be getting 20 cents. So that means in order for you to make $20 every day, you need to watch 100 ad, right? So that is so if you are to join their platform, you'll be getting extra $1 bonus. So if you follow them on WhatsApp, you earn $1 bonus. If you also follow another of their channel on WhatsApp again, you get another extra $1 bonus, right? So I'm coming. Let me actually watch an ad so that you can see. So I've just clicked on ad, right? So it's going to load, of course. So you don't have to really spend hours watching the ad. All you have to do, you can just click on the ad, wait for it to load. I don't even have to answer all this. Let me just go back since it has loaded. Let me just go back, and you are going to see that the money is going to reflect now. I'm coming. Let me just go back. So if I go back now, as you can see, it will show 1 out of 100. So let me go and check my wallet. Let's see how much is there. Right, let me check the, as you can see, it's still 50 cents. Relax, it's going to reflect now. So let's just give it some time for it to yeah, as you can see, it has reflected. So $50, 50 cents, now it is 70 cents. So that means they actually gave me the 20 cents that they promised. So now let's see how many tasks I've completed so far. It's still loading, right? So as you can see, it has shown that I've completed one task. One task has been completed. So they are going to, so in order for you to actually make $100 and $20 per day, you have to make sure you watch the 100 ad. Now when I joined this platform, I was quite skeptical because I mean that's 20 cents per ad. I mean that's very generous. So I was forced to go and conduct my own research. Yes, because there are a lot of fake money online platform out there. And yes, that is what this channel is about. This channel, we don't just bring you some fake platform. We actually go in and test them out and come back with an honest review, honest result, if you should join or not. And that is what this video is about, and also that is what the channel is about, and that is also why you need to please hit the subscribe button, because over here we do not promote any fake platform. Any platform that actually pays, we come here and show you. Anyone that does not pay, we come here and also show you, so that you can avoid them. When you see them anywhere, you are going to recognize them, then avoid the platform, okay, so that you do not get played, you do not get scammed, because trust me, I have fell for many of these platforms in the past, right? I think a couple of weeks ago I also made a video about a platform called Bunny Band, and the platform are fake. But also I also noticed some similarity between the two platforms. I noticed that the way the text appear, that's the text font, they kind of look alike. So that was why I had my own suspicions, and I went ahead to do research on the platform. So guess what? When I did research on the platform, the result came out negative, very negative, because someone actually reviewed the platform before, and he proved that the platform is actually fake. Now think of it, someone pay you 20 cents to complete a task. I mean, 20 cents is very generous. I've never seen any tax platform that pays that much, because the one that, especially here in Nigeria, the one that pays you here in Nigeria, they are going to pay you something like maybe 2 cents, 1 cent. So it's going to be paying you maybe like 4 cents or something. But paying someone 20 cents just to watch ad, not as if we're actually watching the ad. All we have to do is just for us to wait for the ad to load. Once it loads, we go back, the tax has been completed. They'll be giving us 20 cents and actually promising to pay us $20 per day. I mean, that is very crazy. So that's it about this platform. This platform is really fake, okay? It's very fake. So until we meet again, please hit the subscribe button, okay? Hit the subscribe button, because we are going to be testing a lot of platform, and hopefully I'm very positive we are going to actually find one that really pays us. And when I do, trust me, I am not going to relent. I'm also going to bring it here and show you how much I've made so far, if you should join or not. So until we meet again, peace.